Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from Rust Paper Scissors, and I'm here today with 3 more of the mini jean label journals that I've been making. I was able to find a couple more pairs of Levi's and use them. These journals are approximately 4¼ by 2 3/4. They have 26 pages. Each journal has the same pages in them. If there is any ephemera, it may be a little bit different. All the ephemera is removable, and it's just a blank slate for you to create your own. These are great to slip in your purse, put in your pocket, put in your suitcase. They are a great addition to a journal you've already have, perhaps, but they're a lot of fun to make, and I've enjoyed making them. The difference in the journals, why I have an A, B, and C, is the labels. And let me show you the different labels. This is Journal A, and this is a adult-sized jean label. So, and then the label that I take the jeans, label that I take the jeans off of, I use that to cover the book, and this is just a mini composition book. And then these jeans all had a distressed part in the jeans, so I used those as the cover. I thought it just added a little to the vintage look and feel. And then this is Journal B, and this was, I believe, a child's set of jeans. The label is just a little bit smaller. I wanted to compare the two. If you can see, it's just a little bit smaller. So I believe this was a child's size jeans. And then the last label, these jeans had been worn quite a bit. These were my husband's jeans, and the label was, getting pretty destroyed, but I was able to glue it back to the the band on the jeans, and so I was able to salvage it. And I think it just adds to a bit of the vintage look, and I really like that. So I'm gonna stop the video for just a second. We're gonna go through A, and like I say, it'll be B and C will be the same. Just a moment. Okay, this is the journal. All of the journals have a little rusted star on there. I kind of think of that as an homage to Texas, where I live. And then on the inside, this little is a digital tuck spot, and they will be different in the other journals, but they're pretty similar. And then this is just a vintage library card that I cut down to fit in here, and you could use it like a book plate, or put your name on it. And I think I mentioned the pages are tea-dyed. This is just another little digital that says journal. All the journals have this little tag, but it may be like a blue or a tan colored, so they're different. And so, like I say, the pages are just blank. It's a blank slate for you to, really just call your own. And I feel like there's a lot of room to add, your own ideas or thoughts, and then ephemera. And this is just some vintage matte paper, and I added a little charm that I made. And then these are just pages. This is some vintage ledger paper. Then this little bookmark is made from the seam of the jeans, and I just added a ribbon crimp on the end and a little heart charm. So that's those, and I think those are really cute. And then this is just some handmade paper. The center of the signature is an envelope, and it has just a little tag in there. And then each one of the jeans has the same picture on the back of the envelope. It just says story. And then, like I said, the rest of the pages are exactly the same as the front. And then this is a little set of the cutoffs that I include. And then the back here, I added just a belly band, which I made from the seam of the jeans. And then this is just another little tag, and I've put some jean material on there, and I fastened it with a rusted staple. And then these are the cut off pages, and each journal has one of these. I had a little stamp. I thought you could put that on the envelope if you wanted. It's a vintage stamp. And then, like I say, the rest are just cut off pages from the journal. So that's the journals, and they will be for sale in my Etsy shop. And I would appreciate it if you left me a comment and liked my videos. That helps get them to be seen. And I just appreciate your time, and thank you very much.